Hi, it's Laura from Laura Felicity and welcome to my Bespoke Wallpaper video part 2. In this video I'm showing you how I create my bespoke colour mixing service for clients. The clients that I had last year wanted 3 individual bespoke colours made up for them and their wallpaper project, and this video shows that. The way that it works in a real quick summary is that we basically go around collecting a range of different colour samples that they think will really suit their home. This can be from paint swatches that they have found, wallpaper, fabric samples, any little sample that they have seen and would really like. After a little consultation we work through, I will then basically take these colours and create small samples through screen printing. These are displayed in their house for a little while, maybe a week or two, until they've come up with the final versions that they want. Once they've decided, I then get making again, all hand mixed. I create a huge batch of colour which is then used to screen print the final wallpaper outcome. So basically this video shows you the 3 colours that I mixed for last year and you get to see the process behind it. I hope you enjoy. That is how I produce my bespoke colour mixing for my clients. As you can see, it's a very glamorous affair. It's always good fun and I love being able to take you behind the scenes and showing you the journey that it takes from start to finish. If you're thinking of actually having any bespoke wallpaper, do get in contact. I'd love to hear from you, and while you're at it, let's produce some bespoke colours for your home as well. Head on over to my website for some more information on this, and why not have a little look at my portfolio to see how I can help you. In the meantime, if you are loving my videos, why not come and subscribe over on my YouTube channel, because I'd love you to come and follow. I discuss all things interiors, things behind the scenes that are happening at Laura Felicity, and also show you some DIY and crafting skills and techniques that you can learn too. And if you're on Instagram, come on over and find me. It's at Laura Felicity, where I show a lot more up to date as it's going on behind the scenes for different interior client projects that I have, as well as DIY projects that I have in my very own home here too. For now, take care and I hope to see you very soon. Bye!